Mir Farid is joining me on the phone line. Farid, we are given to understand that it was actually a gunfight that broke out between militants and security forces in the Datsara village. Give us more details, please.
Well, yes, that's right. In fact, we reported it yesterday in the evening that on the basis of an intel input, the security forces had cordoned off this Datsara village of Tral in South Kashmir. The input was about the presence of a big group of Hizbul militants who had a hideout in one of the houses. It was a specific intel, and immediately the security forces, that the CRPF, Army and Police, launched a search operation, and immediately the presence of these militants was established in a house. Now, initially they did not respond to the security force fire, but late yesterday in the night, there was a response which of course triggered a fierce gun battle that lasted through the night, in fact, almost 5 to 6 hours. And in the wee hours of today morning, 3 Hizbul local militants were eliminated. They're believed to be from the same area of Tral and had been operational from last some time. 2 of them had recently joined Hizb, but one of them was an old operative and on the wanted list of the security forces. Arms and ammo also recovered. And right now, as is SOP, search operation in the periphery continues.
Right, of course. Farid, as you're pointing out right now, there is a search and combing operation that is on in this entire area. But we are given to understand that these militants were from the Hizbul and one of them was on the wanted list.
Well, yes, that's right. In fact, if you talk of the Udhampur incident where the Lashkar targeted a CRPF convoy and one of the Lashkar Fidai was arrested, Naveed now. During his interrogation, he had revealed the name of one Hizb operative who, in fact, has been killed in this particular encounter. This Hizb operative had acted as a kind of a overground worker, facilitated the movement of these Lashkar militants in the valley, and in fact had also given them logistics as far as Tral area is concerned. So in that way also they say that it's an important breakthrough, the killing of these 3 Hizbul militants.